thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. I hope everyone had a wonderful June and participated in the Junetober event over at the Paper Bee Creative. Be sure, if you haven't done so yet, if you are watching this before July 8th, to go over and still grab all those freebies that we had for Junetober. They will still be available through July 8th. But now that we are into July, I wanted to do something a little more on the bright and summery side. So my kit for July is called Blush&Breezy. I'll do a flip through here in just a minute, but I wanted to show you the ink colors that I picked out to go with this kit because I will be doing a tutorial for this kit. I'll start out with a tutorial for a really basic journal because this is an envelope journal to where you can just follow the really basic steps of creating the envelope journal with all the pieces that are in the kit. And then I'm going to move on throughout the month and do a larger journal style project using this kit and the weekly freebies that I will have that will match this kit. So the ink colors I've picked out are all Distress Oxides. You can use any ink colors that you want. Distress Oxide just happens to be my favorite ink of choice, but I do use some others on occasions. So what I've picked out is Salvage Patina, Tumbled Glass, and Kitsch Flamingo. So let's take a look at the kit. The kit will include a front and back cover, and it also has lots of backing papers. So I'm gonna, as I flip through this, I'll show you the backs that I have printed the backing papers on. For the first part of the tutorial, where I'm just doing the small, beginner-friendly journal, it will include the accordion binding that you can use to bind this kit together. And I've printed a backing paper on that. It comes with 6 envelopes. Turn these around so you can see the images. And then it also comes with an outside spine, several fussy cuts, and some tags and pockets. Journaling cards, more fussy cuts. And more journaling cards. The cards are designed to be able to fit into the envelope pockets. This kit is available over in my Ko-fi shop. Also for this week only, the week of July 1st through July 9th, if you're watching this video, if you come join my Facebook group, I am doing a celebration for hitting 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And you can grab a coupon code that will give you 50% off of everything in my shop. It is a Facebook group exclusive code. You can only get that code in my Facebook group. I will have the link down in the description box where you can come join my Facebook group. And I will start this week with this tutorial. So I'd love it if you'd hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content here on my channel. The next thing I want to do is open up some Happy Mail. I have held on to this through Junetober because I didn't want to open it knowing I couldn't use any of the things in it while I was playing around with Junetober. So it's been really hard to not open this, but I wanted to open it on camera and show everybody all the lovely things that Deidre sent me. And if I am pronouncing your name incorrectly, Deidre, I'm not sure if it's Deidre or Deidre. Please let me know. Get this open and let's see what we have. This was a very packed envelope. Got some beautiful cardstock, my favorite color, purple. I love the little heart paper clip. And she's given me a little note. I'll read that later, off camera. That is a beautiful card. Wisteria is one of my daughter's favorite flowers. That's beautiful. Little mini index cards. Little mini file folder. Love the bling. Some little mini tags. I can see creating a little mini journal with all of this stuff. Very exciting. I do appreciate this Happy Mail. Love the polka dot gift bags. Some little flashcards. Some strips of paper. I love to do paper tearing and put those on my projects. Another card with some scalloped edging. Envelope. Some more cardstock. That's a great color combination. Let's see what's in the little bag here. Oh, we've got some great charms. I love the bag. Let's keep that bag. Let's see what charms we've got. We've got keys and music notes. Oh, I love the little Scotty dog. That's so cute. See if y'all can see that. I'll put it on here so you can see that a little bit better. Got some more paw prints. Oh, I love the colored ball and chain attachments. That'll make great charm dangles. More keys. This is a beautiful package. I do so appreciate this. I've got a journal I want to work on with the anchor. That'll be great, and the little snowflake there. That reminds me, it could be either a mermaid's tail or a flower petal. You see that? Let's see if I can put that on there. A little cross. And the bulb pins. Thank you so much, Deirdre, for this beautiful package. I can't wait to create with it. So I hope y'all all come back and join me for the first tutorial using the Blush&Breezy kit. Be sure to come over to my Facebook group so you can grab that coupon code to get 50% off between now and July 9th in my Ko-fi shop. Ko-fi shop link will also be down in the description box. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.